Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2024 BMW X3 xDrive30i. It's got the 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine, 8-speed automatic, and is painted in Alpine White with black interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So we'll get the lift gate open here. It is a power lift gate, so we'll just push that and it opens up just like that. We're gonna zoom in here. You can see we got the back seat there with 3 headrests. We have the privacy shade here, so that does move, and you can take that down if you like. And look at all that space back there. Nice spacious capacity. We'll just lift this up here. We got more storage there. And seat does fold down, so you can gain some extra storage if you needed it. All right, we'll zoom out here. I'll show you the roof. So it's got the full panoramic roof there. It's got the rails. Got that nice spoiler back there. Got the LED taillights. We'll see them on in a bit. So you got the X3, the BMW there, and the xDrive30i badge there. We'll just step back here. You can see the dual exhaust incorporated into the rear bumper there. We'll make our way to the wheels. So we got this really cool aluminum wheel. We have 4-wheel disc brakes, and we'll just stop here. And tire size is a 235 450 ZR19. So we got 19s on here. We'll show you the front wheel here. So it is the same size. Check out the interior next. So here's our nice door panel. So again, black interior. We got this nice wood grain finish, nice dark wood grain. Got that nice X there. We got the speaker grill there. And then we have your power window there. Here's your front seats from the rear. We have the center console here with HVAC. And then we have a USB down there. We have the carpeted mats. I'll show you this bench seat back here. Nice and tall, very comfortable. We'll fold this down here. Just give it a good, get my hand in here. Oh, nice and tight. And then we have the armrest here with the cup holders that come out of there. All right, we'll show you up here. We have the full panoramic roof. It does have the power shade as well. It covers that whole interior back there. It's a nice and airy feeling. Here's our door on this side with a nice wood grain. We got the power locks and windows. And our dash on this side here. We got these nice vents incorporated into the dash. That nice big screen in the center. Here's our glove box. We got the books there. Here's our door jambs, nice and tidy. Carpeted mats there. Here's your power seats, and you can see it's got the lumbar as well. And it does have the seat extenders that are manual, so you can put them in or out for the nice longer drives. And then here's our seat itself. Nice comfortable seat. And then one more glimpse up there of that panoramic roof. All right, we'll close that door. We'll start back here at the top, and we'll walk down here, show you there's your rails, there's your panoramic roof. Got the body colored mirrors with the signals built in, body colored door handles as well. And then down here we got those wheels. We got the nice silver finish on the rockers there. Nice little vent piece there for styling. LED projector headlights. And we got the nice BMW grille in the center there. All right, here's underneath the hood. And then here's your engine. So it's the 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. It's paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. All right, we'll close up the hood here and just show you quickly the paint here. Now we have not polished this vehicle yet, so we'll do a 5-stage polish on it. You can see this is the starting point, so we got a good vehicle to start with, of course. And it'll look even better once it's done. All right, over here we got the same size, same door as the other side there. I'll just give you a quick glance here, show you the condition here. And on the other side here, we do have blind spot monitor in the mirror there, so that triangle will light up. And then we have your memory package for your driver, power locks, mirrors, windows, and a trunk release there. Over here we have our dash and our door jambs here, nice and clean. BMW down there, pedals, and your carpeted mats, and again your power seat with lumbar and the seat extender as well. You can see the seat's in great condition, and we'll jump in. Okay, so we got that nice vent over here incorporated. Here's your headlight controls. Down here on the steering column, we have manual tilt and telescopic wheel. Here's your signals, and we got paddle shift on both sides, so upshift, downshift, cruise control over here, and then we have your audio and air over here. Over here you got your windshield wiper settings. All right, so push button start, push it up, start it. We'll zoom out here, you can see the wheel. So we got the nice wheel here, it's got the nice contours here. 3-spoke design, you got the BMW in the center. Coming into the gauge cluster, we have full digital cluster, and mileage, you can see only 47,009 kilometers. You can see it's got the navigation that shows up on the screen as well. Up here we got your map lights there, look how cool those look there. And then here we got your mirror, and then we got that huge touchscreen here, so you can see some of the icons here. And we'll go ahead and go home. So you can see we got your, we'll just go here first. So you got your media, then we got your communication. It has factory nav as well. Here's all your car information. So you can see your driver information here. So you can change how you like it. Back to car one more time. Vehicle status, all that kind of fun stuff. We'll throw it in reverse next. And you can see we got the reverse camera with the park sensors. Down below we got the vents, dual zone climate control. We have heated front seats, and then we got your media down here. X3 badge here, and then this cover opens up. Hold on a second, I'll just switch hands here. And we got the wireless pad here for your cell phone, and then we have your cup holders here. Here's your automatic shifter, and then we got your buttons here to control for your touchscreen. Over here you got different drive modes. So you got Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. And then we got your console here. I'll open that up. You can see what it looks like in there. And I'll open up the door. We'll make sure we get the lights on here. And let's give it a few revs. One more time. All right, you can hear the turbo kick in there. We'll close the door. We'll make our way to the front here. So there's your vehicle with the lights on. You can see how great this SUV looks. Let's spin it around here, show you those tail lights next. See your brake design on the back of the tail lights. Nice and quiet. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2024 BMW X3 xDrive30i with 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 8-speed automatic, and painted in Alpine White on black. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.